Hi everyone, welcome back from BIM Agent YouTube channel. Today I would like to introduce about my BIM Agent Studio website. Then I will put the link in the comment box as well. So let me go to the website first. Okay, so here is my BIM Agent Studio website. Normally, I upload the post whatever I can, and when I get a free time, I upload the post here. And then for the video, also I update that on my website as well. Okay, and then on the YouTube channel, I also upload that model as you know. Okay, so today I would like to share you some very useful tools in the Revit. So I go to the post, and then I would like to share you about this today. Okay. Okay. Today I would like to share you how to use Display Element tool for your Revit 3D presentation. So I'm going to share you. So now I am open the Revit Business Sample project. So first of all, we have to go to the 3D view, and then on my website, I also write down some guide notes how to get this done and how can we do that. So I go back to the Revit project, Revit interface. Okay, so now how can we use the display element tool? So we have to go to the 3D view, and then we have to click one element. Then after that, we have to go to the modify tab, and then here is a view panel, and here is the display element. So just click the display element. So now we can see green, blue and red color arrow. So we can move wherever we want. So I would like to move like this, and I will adjust my 3D view. If you want to see very clearly, you have to change your visual style to the hidden line. After that, I'm gonna click this element, and then I will click the path tool. So just click at the edge of the roof, then like this. Okay, so now we can see this one. Normally this pack color is a black color, because now you can see this one by blue color, because I just changed to the blue color. So now I'm gonna change back to the black color, and then I will turn it into the blue color again. So just click this pad and let me change back to original color. Okay, so here is the original black color pad line. So I would like to change to the blue color. So just click the pad and then right click, go to the override graphic in use. So I'm gonna click bind category, because I want to change the color for this category, not for the single element. So after that, I'm gonna pick the blue color. After that, I also set the weight into number 8. Click OK. So some computer probably will see very thick line. This is because of the thin line command. So the shortcut is DL. If your computer is not of the thin line, you will see the line is very thick. If you want to turn off the very thick line, you can use the thin line or the shortcut DL. Okay, so now if you went to back, I change the shaded graphic. Okay, after that, if you don't want to use this anymore, you can click reset, and this will replace to their original place. Okay, So that's all for this video. I hope this video can help for your Revit 3D presentation. So see you guys. Stay tuned and stay safe. Bye bye.